What's up, Nelly gang? It's your girl Janana Cole here. Welcome back to my channel. So I know I look a little different right now. That's because I'm going to be getting ready, doing my hair for you guys, showing y'all how I turn into a baddie, okay? But the main focus in this video is this hair. So before we get into the video, I want to talk about this hair and who it's from. So let me go ahead and take this off because maybe that'll be a little bit better. The hair is from this company called Dyhair777. This is the packaging. The shipping literally took, I swear, like it took 3 days, because as soon as I got done talking to them and telling them what hair I wanted to try, the hair was sent out like 2 to 3 days later. I have worked with this company before. They are absolutely amazing. I love working with them. So the hair that is in my head, this is their 130% density royal version human hair kinky straight lace front wig in a natural color 1B. So this is their kinky straight wig that I have in my head with 130 density. This is like Mufasa. It's giving me Mufasa vibes. My boo said it gives him Shaka Khan vibes, but you know, it's very natural. It mimics African American hair very well. So yeah, I'm gonna be styling it. I thought about putting some curls in it, or like some wand curls, some big fluffy wand curls in this hair. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. So I already put the wig on and I decided to just put it on before I started this video. The hair was pre-plucked. I didn't even have to do anything to it. Literally, you guys, I just installed the wig on my head. That's literally all I had to do. So I just put the wig on with some got to be glued gel and some got to be glued freeze blast hairspray like this. This is what it looks like, and I just did the baby hairs that already came with the wig. So literally this wig is ready to go. All you gotta do is just put it on, glue it down, and boom, you are ready to go. So I'm gonna take my hair tie and I'm just gonna divide the hair. This is in 22 inches, by the way, so it's pretty damn long. But I'm gonna take, I have two curling options here. I have the small one and then I have this one. I don't know which one I want to do. I don't know how big I want these curls to be. I kind of want like big ones, so I'm gonna test it out with this one first to see how I like it. Used with shedding. I wore this wig yesterday and I thought it was really nice. So yeah. So I'm just wrapping the hair around the barrel to get that like flexi rod curl type of look. And then, because I want to see how well it curls. Hopefully it can hold a curl. I don't know. I didn't test it out. Oh, that's pretty. That's really cute. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with the bigger barrel because I don't want really tight curls. So I'm gonna go with the bigger barrel, and then I might just spray it with some hairspray. And that's just gonna be it. Okay, you guys, so I just finished curling the hair, wand curling the hair with this bigger barrel. I think that the curls turned out really nice. This is exactly what I was going for. The exact look I was trying to go for. Big, fluffy, beautiful curls. I think this looks really nice. I think the hair curled pretty good for the most part. I would say you would definitely have to spray it with some type of hairspray if you want it to last a little bit longer. I really don't know how long this is gonna last, but this is what it looks like if you use a bigger barrel. It's really fluffy and just so natural looking. I absolutely love this so far. I have no problems with this hair, so I will leave all of their information down below so you guys can check it out and you can, you know, get you some nice voluminous hair. Okay, honey, I'm gonna go ahead and pick out my outfit and I'm going to show you guys my overall look. Okay, you guys, so this is my outfit for the day. I decided to wear this jean dress, and I got this dress from Hot Miami Styles. I have a try-on haul with this dress in it, so that's where I got this dress. I feel like it goes great with the hair because the hair is very like voluminous, you know, and This dress is like very fitting for my hair, I feel like. So that's why I chose this. Very cute. I absolutely love this hair. It is so beautiful. It's so natural looking, so pretty. So I'm gonna give you guys an overview of my entire look. Okay, you guys, so that concludes this video on how I transform this hair and myself into a baddie, you know, an African princess, Wakanda forever with this hair. But don't forget to check out Dyhair777 down below. I'll leave all their information and all their links in the description box. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media. That'll also be in the description box down below. Thank you guys so freaking much for watching. And of course, as always, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, you guys.